Kanitha-ini wa St James Cathedral mwena wa Muranga atongoria matiganite a kanitha, ateti oro hamwe na Kristiano ni kuma kugomanite igongona-ini ria kuheo ritaya ria Muthikabu wa ithaka ria rigutongoragio ni Muthikabu munene kanitha-ini wa ACK Jackson Ole Sapit. Ndumiriri-ini yake Muthikabu uyu ni orithia ateti merute kugia na kuiganira riri twerekeire githurano-ini amu no nginya gukagia na andu makahotwo.
Let us exercise our freedom by also accepting when we are defeated. You know, accepting defeat is an exercise of our freedom. So let us not exercise our freedom wrongly by rejecting the will of the people. If the people say this is their will, please humbly accept the will.
Mugaro na uri ateti manathamire ciama-ini ingi thutha wa ithurano cia wamurani ni aririkanitie ateti ati uri Kenya magatua githurano-ini giki ni rigakorwo riri itua ria muthia.
But now in the general election there will be no option. It is only for you to accept when you are defeated, because the next option is to create turmoil for this country, and that option should not be our option. So as we face that election, let us all remember we are responsible leaders in this country.
Oho ni ahinyiriirie bata wa mundu aheo gitiyo kiria kimwagiriire gutekumakania we ni wa ruriri ruriku amwona ruriri ruria runini muno no rurute mutongoria. Miario yake ni ikiritwo hinya ni seneta wa Muranga Kembi wa Gitura uria ugite kiria Kenya marenda ni githurano kina thayu na waragania.
Some of us are running as independents, others are running as members of political parties. All of us are pursuing our constitutional rights, and I would like to request and plead with everybody who is either independent or in a political party to give respect to everybody else, because this is our nation, this is our country.
Gukoretwo na njukaniro ya miario gatagati ka ateti aria mayukite tigiti kiama-ini kia Jubilee na arunao aria marahotirwo aria riu matuite itua ria kwirugamia githurano-ini kinene. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.